So hi everyone. Yeah, hi everyone. Good afternoon. So let me check whether I am audible and the screen is visible. If everything fine, please let me know in the chat. Okay guys, meanwhile I will also open my live chat so that I can able to let you know guys whether everything is perfect or not. So just give me 2 minutes of time and please let me know in the chat. Am I clearly audible and the screen is visible? Yes, thank you so much everyone. Thank you for the confirmation. So, yes, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Okay, without any further delay, we'll start our today's session. Sir, main issue is my college no on campus is coming. One day, if on campus is not happening in your college, just you need to wait for the upcoming drive. We can't do anything like you can't apply for the remaining drives as well. Why? Because if it is on campus, it is dedicated to the college. If other people also if to apply, they will simply rejected the people. Okay, so don't do the mistakes like other people are getting the links. So by the links, you don't apply anywhere. And Infosys obviously will offer off campus as well. Why? Because according to the news, they said after 2 years they're going to hire again the 2026 batch. So I suggest wait for off campus. Okay, we waited for sufficient time to others to join. Okay, we already know Infosys is hiring 2024 batch and a 2025 batch. And we also got some news in the campuses that Infosys will come for on campus. So get ready, right? So that's why we came to the live to tell the students how the previous year questions will be and how you need to handle those questions in your examination. And we guys already know about Infosys pattern, right? So Infosys have a pattern that we have a reasoning ability and we have a technical ability and we have verbal ability, pseudocode, number puzzles, English grammar and English writing, right? They will give you a essay, you have to write. It is only one question. So technical ability is nothing but it's a quantitative aptitude. Okay. So in this video, what we are going to do is we will handle what type of technical ability, which is nothing but aptitude questions they will give you in the examination. And in the upcoming lives, we will talk about reasoning topics in another live session. Okay. So we don't have to rush. Why? Because examination dates are not yet announced. So we will slowly learn the things. Yeah, Vandeshan, you added off campus will definitely will happen according to their requirement. Why? Because they said by the end of the financial year 2026 they will hire 20K freshers of 2026 batch. So I can sure assume that November, December is the high, which is nothing but peak area, peak time, where a lot of companies will hire. If it is missed, definitely in Feb or March, definitely they will hire. So mostly they will hire in this region. If they miss this zone, definitely they will hire in the Feb and March zone. Why? Because financial year ends by April, right? So definitely they we have As per my experience, we have a two time frames you can prepare for. Okay, okay, my voice getting blurred. So, and also let me check whether my laptop is charging or not. Okay, guys, please let me know. Am I clearly audible? So, without any further delay, let's discuss this. So, Infosys previous year papers we will discuss, and it is only aptitude for today. And next one is a lot of off-campus and on-campus drives are going on. So, follow our all the social media handles so that you will get immediately the information related to any placement papers, guys. And also, we will share a lot of resources in the YouTube. So, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to reach to us and if you want to contact us through WhatsApp and Discord and Telegram channels. Definitely, we are happy to help you. And all the links are given in the description and chart of the video. So do that. So here is the first question. There is no nothing to discuss more. So let's dive into the questions directly. So the first question. Okay, I'm looking into the chart as well. Okay. Okay, here is the first question. So if you are having any issues with audio or anything related, please let me know in the chat. Okay. So most probably you won't get any issue. So the first question, let's start. And also do along with me, okay? So keep your rough paper and pen ready or pencil, whatever it might be. And also start doing along with me. So you can observe, now you can observe like what I am doing and in which shortcut it is better to do also. Okay, so let's look into the first problem. Sum of money lent out at a simple interest and amounts to 720 rupees in 2 years. So 720 rupees for 2 years, which consisting of amount means, remember, it will have a principal amount plus simple interest for 2 years and 1020 rupees. 1020 rupees after further period of 5 years. So if you wait for another 5 years, it will become this sum. And this will also consisting of P plus SA, which is even principal amount plus simple interest, right? So just look into the next question. So how to solve this question? You have to find the sum of the amount and rate of interest. Guys, for doing this type of problems, to be open, I am saying, if you don't know the approach, it's fine. If you want to do the regular process, if you want to do regular process, you have to solve the equations. So then how you will do if it is a problem? If I am the person who practiced well, then how I will do this example is nothing but very simple. I will eliminate the options. Simply just look at here, guys. 500 rupees is the principal amount, and for 2 years, what will be the simple interest? 1 year simple interest is 5% means 2 year simple interest will be 10%. 10% of 500 is 50 rupees. So total is 550 rupees only. It is not reached to 720. So option A got eliminated. And for 2 years, it will become 30%. 30% of 400 is 120 only. Why? Because 3 fours are 112. And it will become 520. It is not 720. And 10% will become 20% in 2 years. 10% is 60, 20% is 120. And if you add principal amount and 2 years simple interest, 2 years simple interest, then both will become 720. So my option answer is option C. Even I won't check for option D. Why? Because I have the confidence on my techniques. Am I clear? How simply we did the problem. Again, I am telling you, for the aptitude, the approach is very important. rather than doing in a conventional way. It's all about problem solving, guys. How innovative you are thinking, it will increase your problem solving ability. Am I clear? If you guys understood, please let me know in the chat. I am looking into the chat now. Okay, no one responded in the chat, or it is not loading on my end. Okay, sir, do it in a, yes, you got it right. Do it in a regular way. So if you do it in a regular way, how this problem will become, I will tell you. Just look at here. And 1020 rupees after for another 5 years of period, guys. What is meant by further? Further means another 5 years. So another 5 years means the simple interest is not only for 5 years. You have to add this also. So that total 7 years interest is included here. Okay, 7 years. From 2 years and 7 years, if you subtract these two, this is a regular conventional method. Okay, so 2 years interest, 2 years amount is this, and 7 years amount is this. And if you subtract both of them, you will get 300 rupees. 300 rupees is nothing but for how many years? It is for 5 years simple interest. Why? Because principal amount will get cancelled and 2 years simple interest will cancel this 5 times, which is nothing but subtraction. So simple interest is equal to this. Guys, just give me a second. I think maybe some issue with the audio. I will connect earphones so that you might not get audio issues. Okay, guys, am I clearly audible now? Please let me know in the chat. A lot of people are saying like voice breaking. Is it clear now? Yes. If you have any issues, please let me know in the chat. So this is total 2 years of amount and this is all 7 years amount. And if you subtract, principal amount will be get cancelled and a 2 years interest and 7 years interest. If you subtract, you will get 5 years interest, right? If 5 years interest is 300, then 1 year interest will be simply 60 rupees, right? 1 year 60 means 2 years is 120. So in this 720 rupees, 120 is the simple interest for 2 years, then remaining will be 600. So answer again C. So the way you are doing is matters. If you do it in a regular manner, you will take hardly 40 seconds. And if you do option elimination, hardly it will take 10 to 15 seconds. So you saved 50% of the time so that you can utilize for the next question. So that's what I will teach you in the online, that is shortcuts and tricks. And next, look into the next problem. The average score of boys in the examination in a school is 71. So boys scored the average of 71 and that of the girls is 73. Okay, girls is 73 and the average score of the school is 71.8. So remember, find the ratio of the number of boys and number of girls who appeared in the examination. Okay, it's very simple, right? if you want to find the ratio, actually you felt like this is an average problem, but it is not an actually average problem. Why? Because averages, ratios, and allegations and mixtures, these three topics are always related to each other. If you join averages and ratio proportions together, the combined topic is called as allegations and mixture. And some problems or irrigation mixtures will be depends on ratios. Some problems or irrigation mixtures will be depend on averages. And averages problems can be solved in irrigation mixtures. So whenever you are learning these three topics, please observe the pattern behind them so that you won't get confused whenever which topic you need to use. So at a time learn these three topics together. So they have given the boys got least score and girls got highest score, and they just combined both. So if you combine, you have to use butterfly diagram, higher, lower, and average. Okay, so what is the difference? 73 and 71.8 difference is 1.2, and 71 and this is 0.8. So I can write it as 12:8, which is nothing but 3:2. So we have only one option, that is 3:2 is option B. Very simple. The butterfly diagram, if you want to use, one side you have to place higher value, other side lower value, and in between you have to place average value, and a resultant you will get A is to B format. This A is to B is nothing but you have to take the difference of low and average, then it will be equal to A, and take the difference of high and average, it will be equal to B. So this is how you need to do. Next, guys, I would like to ask you this also. Uh, have have you got any mails related to Infosys and any examination dates were really revealed? Please let us know in the chat so that other people also can know and they will check their mails. Whoever got the mails or anything, please let us know in the chat. Yeah, Harsharawat, please share the email screenshot with our the given WhatsApp group so that we will get the able to know when is the exam and all, so that we can come multiple times live for you. Okay, so just look into the next problem. That is, A and B together can do a piece of work in 12 days. So A and B are working together and they will complete the task in 12 days. So whenever you have a time and work, whenever you have a time and work, immediately per day work you have to do. I'm looking into the chart. Previous 2-year question are enough to crack Infosys. Arun Kumar, the models are enough, but practice is required. Why? Because the way of asking question will change and the numbers will change. So practice more. Okay, A plus B together work in 12 days means per day work is 1/12. And B and C together can do the work in 16 days. So B plus C per day work is 1/16. Remember, you need to know the time and work concept before. If they are doing in a number of days, if you take the reciprocal, it will become per day work. So this is per day work, whatever I am writing in the fraction. After A has worked for 5 days and B worked for 7 days and C finishes the remaining work in 13 days. Okay, A is worked for 5 days and 7 days B is worked and 13 days C is worked, and all together is completed one work, one unit of work. So you have three equations. Can you find the variable or not? Yes, we can find. Just look at here. You can substitute A as B and C also B. So for example, A I can substitute as A will go to the, sorry, B will go to the other side. It will become minus B, right? And C also I can replace as minus B here. So I will replace 5 of 1 by 12 minus B plus I will make B common and 13 1 by 16 minus B is equal to 1. So if I multiply 5 by 12 minus 5 B plus 7B minus 13B plus 13 by 16 is equal to 1. So simply solve this equation and you will get the answer. So if you observe here, here it is difference is 2. So minus 11B is equal to 1 minus 5 by 12 minus 13 by 16. 16 and 12 LCM is 48. So 48 minus 20 minus 39. So the answer will be 20 cancelled and here 11 minus 11 by 2. Minus 11 by 48 is equal to minus 11B. Minus 11B minus 11B cancel. So B per day work is 1 by 48. But actually what is the question? In how many days C alone can complete the work? So I want to get the C value, not B value. So substitute B value here, 1 by 48. So 16 can be written as 3 by 48, right? So 3 by 48 minus 1 by 48 is 2 by 48. So answer is 24. Why? Because C per day work is 1 by 24 means the C can complete the task in 24 days. Guys, this is bit kind of complex, not complex, the calculative problem. So earlier two problems we did it in seconds, but this problem took me 1 minute. Even for the explanation I took like 10-15 minutes, whatever it might be, 10 minutes if I take. In the examination to do this task, I will take definitely 1 minute. So remember, sometimes you need to save the time for the difficult problems. Difficult means not about complexity, about calculation part. You can't do this problem with any shortcut. To be open, I am saying. You can do with the option elimination, but it won't give you that much accurate answer as well. Why? Because might be 48 can be the answer, and 48 is also a multiple of 24. So you can't judge which option you need to choose. Okay, so some chart is going on. Let me verify. And Prem is saying that CSC October 2nd week they have exam. Okay, let's dive into the next question. So the question depends on data interpretation. Okay, so the pie chart below represent the popularity of ice cream flavors in the state of Gujarat in 1995. So they are talking about 1995 year pie chart. If 20% of the other category is a mango flavor and 4,212 people surveyed preferred mango, then how many people were surveyed? Okay, so just look at here, guys. In order to do these problems, you don't have to be expert in anything, just use some common sense. Here the problem is completely dependent on 1995, so leave this. Next, in 1995, how many others were there? Others were 21.06. I have taken this, okay, and out of them 20%. So on the others, 20% people will like mango flavor. So you have to find the what is the 20% of this 21%. So simply 20% means 20 by 100 into 21.06, right? And if you observe, if you multiply, okay, 2 multiplication is nothing but 42.16 and 0 get cancelled. So 4.216 percentage I left with. Sorry, it's 2 times 6 is 12, right? So 4.212 percentage. Why? Because divide by 10 will make 42 as a 4 point. Next, if this 4.212 percentage is 4,212 members, then what is the 100%? Why? Because how many people were surveyed? The total surveyed people is 100% always. So if 4.212 percentage is 4,212, it will cancel exactly one time. And we have a 3 zeros. So we have to place 3 zeros here. And addition to that, this is 1%. But in order to get the 100%, you need to place another 2 zeros. So total 1 lakh people got surveyed. So option D is correct. Prince, don't worry. If there is any examination dates, okay, directly reach out to our team. Our team will help you. We are taking your feedbacks from the students, and in a region wise, they are conducting the examinations as well. So you will get the mail. If mails didn't came, they will send in the phase way. They will send in a different phases. Okay, let's look into the next problem. If all the possible, for example, if you didn't get the mail, check in the spam folder also sometimes. You might see the mails also. Okay. So the question is, if all the possible words using the letters of the word car are formed without repetition of the arrangement, sorry, and arranged in alphabetical order. So just remember this alphabetical order. What will be the position of CTRA? So you need to find the rank of this word. What is meant by rank is nothing but you have to find the dictionary order. Okay. So dictionary order means alphabets will be in the alphabetical order. So CART. What is the alphabetical order? Actually, first A letters will come. The words which is starting with A will come. Next, the words will start with C will come. Next, R will come. Next, T will come. Right? First, let's count how many words are there which starts with A. So if A is the first alphabet, then we left with 3 places and we can place 3 elements. So answer is 3 factorial. 3 factorial is nothing but 6. So there are 6 words with A. Next, how many words with C? It is also 12, 6. But we don't need to cross that. Why? Because you need to find CTRA, right? So let's examine this. C is fixed. Next, in the second place, A will come. Okay. If A came, how many words can be created for CA? 2 places left and 2 alphabets left. So 2 factorial. So plus 2. Next, again, C after A, what is the letter will come? R, right? R. How many places left? 2 places. And how many words you can create? 2 words. So again plus 2. Next, after this, CT will come. So we need CT only. And after the CT, don't count, right, guys? Why? Because we need this word. So you don't have to count the present one. So CT, next in the third place, A will come, right? So if A will come, next will be R will come. So CTAR. So another word in the dictionary we encountered. After completion of this CT, AR completed, next what will happen? RA will come. So the rank of this word is how much? Here 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, here also 2 factorial, right? So here 9 completed and 10 completed. Then what is the rank of the word? Guys, just look at here where I counted it wrongly. Why? Because I am not able to see the option. So that why. Here 3 factorial is 6. And here with CA 2 numbers. With CR 2. And with this also 2. Okay, it's my bad. I'm very sorry. 6 plus 2 plus 2 is how much, guys? 10. I'm counting as a 9 with a overlook. Okay, so 10 plus 1 is 11. So total 11 words completed. And the 12th word, we got it like CTRA. So option A is correct. It's my bad on the overlook of the chart and numbers. I did like this. So 6 plus 2 plus 2 is 10. I counted as 9. And also this word 11. So this is the 12th word. So in order to get this type of techniques and models, guys, I suggest our PrepInsta Prime and use the coupon code KTK Max. So if you see, our PrepInsta Prime is all for your placement needs, a single platform, which is a video-based platform. You can learn everything from the scratch. For example, if you want to learn aptitude, you can go to the aptitude section and you can start learning technical ability called by Infosys, that is called quantitative aptitude only. And next logical you can learn, and you can learn verbal, data interpretation. All these are very important for Infosys and remaining companies as well. And after that, if you want to clear the coding round, at least you need to know one programming language among C, C++, Java, Python. And also after that, you need to learn at least DSA concepts along with competitive coding. So all these courses were included in the your subscription. And also when you went to the interview, in your resume, at least you need to have a good upskilling courses. Either it may be in the present trending AI courses, or the second option is development courses. So if you want to choose for development side, go to full stack course. Or if you want to go with the AI or ML related, then go to the Gen AI, data science, data analytics, machine learning related courses. Those are very important. And all these are with a single subscription, you all get this for free. Okay, so you don't have to purchase individual modules. Just like in Netflix, you can take a one subscription, you can watch all the movies, right? Similarly, you can take the subscription of PrepInsta Prime and you can start complete any course you need. You don't have to pay again. For every course, you have a dedicated modules. If you want to build the projects, you can build the projects here. And if you want to go with CS subjects, DVMS, computer networking, SQL, SDLC and all. Or if you want to go to brush up your pseudocode or automatic skills, you can go here. And if you want to know about the preparation strategies of for the interview and all, you can go here in HR preparation, group discussion, guesstimates, and also we have a resume making also. So resume making course. And if you want to go for interview experiences for service based or product based, you can do a lot of things here with a single subscription. And the purchase link is given in the live chat, and use the coupon code KTK Max and you will get the maximum discount of 50% on all the prices. Okay, so don't miss this chance. and always try to learn this. Okay. So let's dive into the next question. 22 students attended a party where every student has to dance with every other student. How many pair of dances will be possible? So remember guys, whenever you have given with this type of questions like pairing up with the students unique. For example, how many IPL matches we can play with the other team once, or how many students can make a handshakes with each other. Likewise, if you have ever seen this type of two opponents with a different people number of people, then the answer is NC2. Guys, excuse me for this live. So actually, my laptop is getting heated just for a while. So that's why there is a slight lag is going on in the writing. So just adjust for this slide. We can do the arrangements for the next slide. Okay, NC2, which is nothing but 22 students. So 22 C2, which is nothing but simply 22 into 21 divided by 2. 2 will cancel this 11 times. So 11 21s are 231. And even you can see the unit digit is 1, unit digit is 1, 1 ones are 1. So you will end up with the 1. So option D is correct. You don't have to verify the remaining things. And next look into the next problem based on probability. There are 4 white balls, 3 blue balls and 5 green balls in a box. 2 balls are chosen at a random without replacement. So this is very important. What is the probability that the first ball is green and the second ball is white or green? Okay, so just look at here. Whenever you see and, you have to replace with multiplication. Whenever you see or, you have to replace with plus symbol. So this is what I will always teach the students in the probability and permutation combinations. For example, first ball is drawn. How many total balls were there? Total 12 balls, right? So 12. And the first ball must be green. How many green balls are there? 5. So 5 by 12. And which is nothing but multiplication. And the second one they are saying like either or. The second ball is either white or green. How many balls left? We already picked out of 12 one ball here. So most probably we will left with 11 balls only, right? So second ball is from white. White, how many whites are there? 4 whites. Or which means plus. Out of these 11 balls you can pick green also. How many green are there? 5. It's my bad. It's not 5. It's 4 only. Why? Because here also they picked the green only, right? So first one is green is already removed from the number of balls. So we left with only 4 green balls now. Why? Because they said without replacement. If it is from replacement, then it is also 5 only. So the answer is simply 8 by 11 into 5 by 12. So if you cancel 4 3 times and 4 2 times, so simply 10 by 33 is your answer. So here the options are not given properly. So the answer is 10 by 33. Okay, just verify once. And we'll see the next problem. Next, 6 years ago, the ratio of ages of a Vic and Amlan are 6.5. Sorry, 6 is to 5. 4 years hence, the ratio of their ages will be 11 is to 10. What is the Amlan's present age? So guys, just look at here. Whenever you have this type of problem, use the formula C minus D divided by AD minus BC modulus into X. Remember this, and I will tell you the shortcut. What is the formula? C minus D divided by AD minus BC. What is C? What is AB? I will tell you. First ones, imagine like it's AB, and the second one says a CD. What is the difference between CD? It is 1, right? And what is AD minus BC? C into B, which is nothing but 55. And A into D is how much? 60. So the difference between them is 5. And into what is X? So remember, the X is nothing but the age gap between the two ratios. What is the two ratios difference? The first one is 10 years ago and the second one is 4 years after. So 6 years ago to 4 years after, the total will be 10 years or not? And 5 will cancel this 2 times. So you got the answer as 2, right? Then the second step. What is the second step you need to do is multiply this 2 with CD fraction. So 22 comma 20 is your answer. But these ages are after 4 years, right? After 4 years. Then what will be the present ages? 18 comma 16. Then what is the Amlan's age? Amlan's age is 16. Simple. Okay. I hope everyone got the answer. Sir, can we do this problem in a shortcut manner? Yes, you can do that. You can use the formula C minus D and divided by AD minus BC into factorization and all. If you want to do it in a shortcut manner, you can do that. Just look at here. The present age is 16, for example. Then after 4 years, what is the age? 20. And before 10 years, 6 years is 10. So 10 multiplies 20, 5 multiplies 10. Perfectly 16 is matched. For example, after 4 years, it is 24. Is 24 is 10 multiple? No. The ratio means the ratio must divide the number. And after 4 years, it is 27. This is also not a 10 multiple. 13 plus 4, 17. This is also not a 10 multiple. So option B, C, D are not 10 multiples. If you add 4, so only one option it is matching with this. So my answer is option A. So this is the shortcut I will use when I am doing the ages problem. Next, what is the relation between LCM, HCF and the numbers? So one formula you need to know, that is LCM into HCF is equal to A into B. So the product of the numbers is always equal to the product of LCM and HCF. So out of these 4 variables, here 3 variables are given. You need to find the 4th variable. It's very easy. So HCF 30 into LCM 40 is equal to one number is 6, another number B I have to find. So 6 will cancel this 5 times and 5 40s are 200. Answer complete. So we don't have to do this type of problems in a high level. See, for example, I have took 2 to 3 problems much time, but remaining problems I am taking very less time. All about your practice, guys. Next, what is the maximum percentage discount that a merchant can offer on her market price so that she ends up selling no profit, no loss if she had initially marked her goods by 50%? Guys, whenever you have a percentages problem, I will give you one suggestion that always treat cost price is equal to 100 rupees. That's it. You will get the answer easily. So how much she marked the price? So the marked price is 50% above, which is nothing but 50% of 100 is 50 only. So the market price is 150. Now what he is asking, what is the percentage discount? So where we will give the discount? We will give the discount on market price, right? I have to give the discount on this 150 rupees. What is the final condition I need to achieve? I need to achieve no profit, no loss. No profit, no loss means selling price must be 100 rupees again. So from 150 to 100 rupees, I have to give 50 rupees of discount. Now tell me, 50 rupees is how much of 150? One third, right? One third means 33% is the discount. So it's very simple. I want to reduce 50 rupees. 50 rupees is one third of the given number. Next. So guys, this is your assignment question. So try to do and let me know the answer after the live ends. Okay. A sum of 25 rupees is paid for a work which A can do in 32 days and B can do it in 20 days and BC together can do it in 12 days and D can do it in 24 days. How much C will receive if 4 all did work together? So A individual time I know, B individual time I know, D individual time I know. I can find C individual time also. So you have to find how much in the 25 rupees we need to pay to the C. So wages ratio is always equal to efficiency ratio. This is the time and work formula. So how much you are efficient, that much the amount you will get. So efficiency means per day work. So calculate the per day works of ABCD and take the ratio and you will get the wages ratio and divide that ratio into 25. 25 rupees divided into that ratio. You will get the amount got by C. Okay. So this is your assignment question for this today live lecture. And after completion of the live, who did this? We will pick them from the top 3 commenters who did the answer and we will give the free access to our PrepInsta. And also please follow our all social media handles so that you will never get anything delay. You will get every update immediately onto your screen so that you will never miss any opportunity. And you won't get confusion also. You don't have to ask anyone also. So please be ready and start your preparation, guys. Okay. And also if you want to start your preparation, use coupon code KTK Max, which is 200 plus courses under the one single subscription, so that you can learn everything under a one price point. I suggest take the 1 year subscription, use the coupon code KTK Max. You will get it for 3,200 rupees for 1 year. It is more than, sorry, it is more less than 300 rupees per month. So per month you will spend a lot of money outside, right? So invest on learning. It will be good for you. So again, I'm telling you, follow all on our social media handles. Thank you so much. This is the end of the today's live. See you guys in another live with Infosys remaining topics. And thank you so much, guys. And please share if you guys got any mails from any company. Share it to our team, and the numbers and the Instagram and WhatsApp Telegram channels are given in the description of the video, so that we can convey to the other people so that they can also know, right? Thank you so much. This is the end of the today's video. See you guys. Bye bye with another live.